Now, neither Ruby nor Barsha present. Is, are, am, is, or am. What is the answer? Okay. Neither Ruby nor Barsha dash present. I have not used. You can say I have not used. No, as well as. No, and here is neither nor or neither nor. Neither nor. I have used neither nor.
So is.
Okay. Now, who is saying is answer? Number is and are also. Am will not be used. Just I have written for an example because of B word and is a was a other set. Okay. Who has said is number 7?
Yeah.
Have to explain why it will be is.
Because neither Ruby or Barsha. Anyone.
So I have said neither Ruby nor Barsha. 1 and 2. So plural number has come.
They both are not came. They both are not came.
They both are not present.
Not
Right?
present.
They both are not present. Yes, that's why it will be answer will be are or is or am is. Very good. Neither Ruby nor Barsha.
Both are not present.
Both are not present. Both are absent. So that's why it will be answer will be are. Yes, in are. What is the answer? Confused? Confusion, lot of confusion. Confusion ही confusion है. Solution कुछ पता नहीं. Okay. Now we have to find out the solution. Understood? Solution will be is. Why is? I'll explain. You have a confusion between. You are stuck between are and is. Is and are. Yeah, definitely has to be because being a student, these are the common thing. Neither Ruby nor Barsha. What is a number of after not? Before as well as we discussed before as well as whether it is singular or plural. But in neither nor or either or by either or, the number should be what is the number? Singular number or plural number after not?
Third person singular number.
Yeah, third person or first person, whatever the person. Singular number. Yeah, definitely there will be the definitely third person. Okay, not after the not, Barsha is singular number. That's why I have written is. Understood? What is the number after not? You have to emphasize. You have to put concentration over where after the not. But Ruby also present. You can say 1. And Barsha is also here.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
Both neither Ruby nor Barsha is present. Understood? That's why it is because what is coming after not. If I explain a lot of sentences, many sentences, a big sentence, you will not understand from the book. This is the easiest way to remember what will be actual answer because in an exam hall you will not have a chance to search the books whether it will after nor what is the answer. You just remember you cannot analyze the sentences. Okay, you have to know what is the number after not. We have to know after not. If it is plural number, that will be are. If it after not, if it is the number is singular, will be is. If the number is plural, will be are. Understood? Got my point? Very easiest way to write the correct answer. What is coming after not? What is coming before as well as? If before as after as well as, if it is singular, but before as well as it is plural, answer will not be singular. It will be plural. Understood? Now, either number 8, right?
Yes.
Either Ruby or Barsha was, where, was or where. Now, in previous sentence, last sentence we already discussed neither Ruby nor Barsha dash present. Okay, but right now I am teaching you either Ruby or Barsha was or were present. I cannot remember who came. Either Ruby or Barsha was or were present. I don't know. You are asking me the question. Who was present, sir? Both of them. Then I give you the answer. Either Ruby or Barsha. I cannot recall their face. I can't remember them who actually came. Either Ruby or Barsha came. Okay? So I was present or were present. What will be the answer? Was. Right? Or where. Why was? Why? Where? You have to explain now. Yes.
So there one.
If I say after or either Ruby or if we write we, then what will be the answer?
Where?
Why where? You can say the Ruby also. Ruby may come. Ruby came also. Might be have.
Because after or they have the plural form. So that.
Where you have to put your the focus. Focus is your answer. What I have said. Simple way. What is a number after not or after or? Okay. What are you watching over there? Look at. Don't. This is very important. What is coming after or? We are not coming. Barsha is coming. So Barsha is singular number. That's why it will be was. Because Barsha is singular number. It may be plural number.
So the rule of either or and neither or.
After not. After not. After or. Either or after not. What is coming after or? Either or. Either or. What actually what I am telling you? Or not. After this plural or singular. If it is plural number, not will be or where? If singular number was and where was or
Is.
what will be the answer? No. If it is plural after not or after not or plural number means where or are. And it is singular number
Is
or was. Very good. You have learned?
Yes.
Our next question is 9. Either Ruby or I. Either Ruby or I. Okay. To blame. So answer will be we say is. Very good. Is. Other you is very good. Are
Sir, R.
very good. Next.
R.
Very good. Right answer. You say other is very good. Right answer also. Other is. Okay. Who is say them? I have not written
Not the option.
The option is or are. Okay. This is the magic. I have not written am. You forgot what you should remember. Focus only one point or. What is coming after or? I. So with the singular plural I don't know. The pronoun what is the number actually? I. What should I write here? The word I is. If you say I is, what is your name? I have not written am here. So it will be am definitely or I am to blame.
Sir, I attend this question and I.
Definitely. And that's why I have intentionally I have not written am. I have told you to focus after or. Which number? A pronoun has come. I pronoun. So after I pronoun am will be used. Not is or are. All of you have said that are is are. Okay? This is a coronavirus like spreading all over among our students. Coronavirus. Okay. Either Ruby or I am. What I have said? Just focus after all. After all. As well as if it is as well as before as well as what is coming. Either before as well as. Before as well as it is singular or plural. It will the answer will be depend on before as well as. Here. And either or and either or and neither not. What is the answer? Focus on or. I. Understood? Okay. Our next sentence is the council have selected its president. Okay. Council needs a president, right? So the council has or have taken selected its president. So before writing this sentence, we have to understand the tense. The council has or have. Okay, option is has or have selected its president. Students, tell me at first which tense it is. It is present, past, future.
Present.
Present. And type of present tense? There are four types. Present, perfect, perfect. Very good. The council dash selected its president. What will be the answer? Good. I have written the sentence council, so we are discussing about the tense. This is the present perfect tense. The council has or has selected its president. Okay? So it will be the answer will be have and said have and said has. Have. Yeah, who have said has to explain and have student have to explain. Have student explain why have present present perfect tense. But in no present perfect tense you also use has.
Yes.
He has. She has.
Counselor.
Council made of lot of members are composed of many members. Okay. So here we have to write have selected. Yeah. Okay, fixed preposition. It will be the fixed preposition will be discussed like according to. Okay, in accordance with. Understood? In accordance with. According to. Understood? Now we have to understand whether it will be has or have taken chosen its president or CHWSCN chosen its president or selected its president. Okay, has or have. What will be the answer? The answer is you are saying have. Okay, okay. I have take a grant that you have said have. Now why have? Because
the council.
Council, there are many members. In council, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, many members are there. Okay. But here, the council are representing a singular form. Council. Suppose you
Also,
have
it's like
council.
union, parliament.
Union, right.
Also,
The council, the jury also, bench of justice, right?
Yes.
The jury. When jury
Sir, also team.
team also. Okay, the jury when it's lot of members are there, lot of players are there in a team, but it's representing or it's forming a singular idea, contracts a singular idea. Okay, single. It's form a single idea. The council. I'm saying the council. I'm not saying the members of the council.
This council is a single entity.
Because single entity, right? So here the council are the singular form. That's why the answer is has. The council has elected its president. Okay? Have you got the idea from here? The council has elected its president. Understood?